So today we are starting with the demo for what is included. Everything new which is included, I will show it here from the JIRA board, and we can start with the tablet device, which is app installation crash on tablet devices without SIM, and this is also for the call button. So on the left side you can see here is the Samsung device, which is phone. On the right side we have the tablet here. I already pre-installed the application. Also you can see right now the differences here on forgot password. We can see that on the phone is clickable button, on the tablet it's not. If I tap here, I can directly call the in Minnesota ARCA, and I cannot tap here. Right now I will show what's the difference inside the app. Ugh. So here from the navigate menu we have contact ARCA again. You can see the differences. This is the phone, this is the tablet. We have call option here and we don't have here. Here just the driver can see the number and he can call from another device. Here if I tap call, you can see that again it's calling Minnesota number. And that's it for this bug, which was urgent one. I will remove the tablet. Okay, so we have just the phone here. I will bring Charles in the background so we could follow the backend APIs as well. And let's see what's next. The next will be to show the required fields on ATO screen. There will be red asterisk symbols. Yes, here we go. Just to see this is my route. We have the stops here. We don't have any inventory and we don't have any checklist. Starting the route. You can see the orders are loading right now. They're loaded, and also the UI is loaded. This means that we are already in en route screen. Here is the response. And we will talk about the required fields. So if we scroll down, we can see that the city is required. We have asterisk red symbol here. Also, we have here. You can see where which field is required. And I'll show you how this works in the backend. For example, if we go on pickup address, here's the pickup address. So we have street address, city, state, and zip. And here we have regex validation, and the field it's editable. This means that here will be true on mutable. Also on city we have required asterisk symbol. You can see that here on city we have allowBlankInput false. This means that driver cannot leave the empty field here. For example, if I try to delete that, you can see that this button save becomes inactive. So from the backend, this allowBlankInput, you can see that I'll show you on every required field this is false, and every field which here is editable, this is mutable true. So we're going on where state should be a scoring list of words, view the abbreviation. Let's go down to states, and you can see again the differences from consumer profile and pickup address. The state, this is mutable true. Here's the state of, yeah, here's the state. So you can see that it's mutable false. So this means that it's not editable. You can see the differences. And let's go back to the JIRA story, which is this field. You can see that the states here, and if driver decides, he can write here whatever he wants. For example, Colorado. If I pick Colorado, you can see that the abbreviation is changed. And also, I just want to show that Regex validations are applied here. For example, you can see that this is a Regex validation. Here's the Regex validation for zip. This is the ability to edit without cursor. Let me show you what exactly is that. For example, if I tap here, I can directly write whatever I want, and will be deleted immediately. And you can see that all of these fields are not required, so I can delete them if I want. Yes, of course, we have ability to enter a decimal in AMPS. Here I can enter even a bigger number. And we had a conversation with Stan regarding the wrong information which is coming from the backend. For example, let me just show that. I need to fill every required field. This is not choose. Oh yeah, we have some not added options here. So I believe that every field which is required is filled right now. And we can see that the button it's still not active. And if I'm a driver, I'll start wondering what is happening. This is just because you can see that this is pre-filled from the backend, and the Regex validation is catching that. And I just need to fix for example, the street address, and I need to say that. So this could be a really, let's say, big issue if we have more than 25 or 30 units, because driver need to follow everything. Is it correct or not? But we talked with Stan, and I believe that he's on his way to add something to tell that, for example, this is coming wrong from the backend. I believe that will be some yellow triangle warning symbol for the field. We already have that in the application implemented. So if I go down, for example, right now, and you can see that the button is still inactive. This is because it's not changed somewhere again. And I need to change it, for example, here. That's it. And right now, oops, I'm scrolling really fast here. Right now you can see that the button is already active and I can execute the order if I want. Let me execute the order and that's it. Right now I can show the optimization, which is still in progress, will be in progress.
I just wanted to quickly mention the other big change that you guys made that resolved an issue with the app is the fact that it evaluated all of those requirements and validations without necessarily going into the field. That was the big change there that was huge for us. Sorry, I need to research what this particular problem is.
James, yes, it's
UI problem. There's a problem in the UI that's missing a table mapping, but yeah.
I'll work that so we can follow this as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just clear the data and log in with James account. So right now we are going to show the optimization which Stan made. And I believe that he is still working on that. James, it was this route, right? 705, if I remember.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, yeah. So this is the inventory, how it works.
And this is also because the data coming back from the API request is overloading this. We have a fix for this that's in progress on the API side.
Okay. These are the stops, and we have James out here a lot of units. I believe that there are more than there are around 50 units per order. And right now you see that we will have some delay here.
This delays on the API side because there are, I think, over 500 order details within these 10 orders that are coming through. So the database is taking a while to execute and evaluate the requests. The problem that we had before was after this finishes loading, the app was crashing on the load after loading the data and trying to display the first ATO. And then the scrolling was jittery. We'll see that that is resolved here in a moment, but we're still waiting for our database query to complete on the API. Should in a moment. Looks like it's returning data. So far, 3 megabytes. There we go.
Yeah. And the optimization is here and inside the order as well. You can see the units for this order.
Yeah, this is much smoother.
Yes. And right now we're ordering one of those big orders. You can see this pop-up ordering KTO, which is again created by Stan.
And this is what we would call a smoke test, where we are overloading the amount of data that's in the device. This would happen on a very rare occasion, like where we go to an apartment complex and have an order with maybe 100 appliances for all the various units.
And you can see the order with all required fields and everything which is somehow, for example, this replacement summary is something new which is coming from the backend, and application is showing it.
Yeah, this is a lot smoother. It's able to cope with with a lot of data a lot better.
Yeah, and we can go down. Yes, there are 45 here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of smoother, and it's much better than before.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Thank you very much. That looks really good. I think we got everything that we wanted to, so in the demo. Yeah.
Great. Thanks so much, Ibrahim. Matt, did we get it?